Hello friends, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a origami paper plate. So for that you will need 4 origami papers. Take one paper and fold it like this. Now open it and do the same. Now fold it like this from all the 4 sides. Now fold the 2 sides like this. Now flip the paper and fold this part like this. And then again flip the paper and fold this side like this. Now make 3 more pieces like this. Now hold this like this and put this part in this flaps. And then take another piece and put it in the 2 flaps. Now put this piece in the first flap. Now your paper plane is ready to take a flight. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share this with your friends.